My name's Kyle Vanderveer. I founded Intrism and I designed Intrism Pro. In this video, I'm going to go through every detail you could possibly want to know about Intrism Pro so that you can decide if it's right for you. Here's the box for Intrism Pro. It includes everything you need to build, play, and display it. On the back, we show you what's included: 8 wooden sheets. It has 6 sheets of acrylic for the enclosure around the outside. It includes the display stand, the marble, and of course an assembly guide. We have the assembly guide also as a digital version on our website and in multiple languages. This box is a lot heavier than you would think. I have never been a fan of when you buy something and it's like half full, so I wanted to make a product that was incredibly dense. So in the box here, you'll get 217 pieces. That includes a few extras, so that if you break a wooden piece, it's right there in the box. If you ever break a piece that we don't include in the box, it's free. Just go to our website at intrism.com/oops and you can request a free one. Now moving on to the building process for Intrism Pro. It's already challenging enough to put together something like this, so we wanted to make it so you don't need to use glue or tools. Everything you need is in the box. You punch the pieces out, and we have a little tool included to help you punch out the tiny ones, and then you fit the pieces together according to the assembly guide. This process is extremely satisfying. Everyone loves putting this together. Just hearing and feeling the click of the pieces when they snap into place is amazing. Once you're done building the wooden part of the maze, you put together the display case around it. The acrylic panels have a masking, so you peel off the masking first, and then you put that together. That prevents any scratching during transit. And then you'll also put together the display stand. This all clicks together. So you're done building it. Now what? How do you solve the marble maze? To get started, you'll first roll the marble to the little piece of wood that guides the marble to the start. From there, look for the little arrows. They'll help you guide the marble through the marble maze. Even if you know where the marble needs to go, it's still an incredibly huge challenge to actually get the marble to do that, because in addition to a maze, Intrism Pro is ultimately a dexterity challenge. Okay. Intrism Pro is a single level, so if the marble falls off the track even a single time, you have to start over. And with 150 obstacles, this is a beast of a challenge. If you were to stretch out how far the marble rolls from start to finish in Intrism Pro, it would be 31 feet long. We didn't make this so that you would finish building it and solving it in the same day. When you're done playing with this, show it off on the display stand, put it out on a desk or a shelf, and challenge your friends to pick it up and see how far they get in the marble maze. This is a conversation piece. It's not meant to be stored. It's meant to be set out and shown off. You won't find this anywhere else online. If this is something you would enjoy, or a friend or a family member would enjoy, pick one up today. You won't regret it.